What if everything you've been told about trading is a lie? That you need 6 monitors, insider info, or a PhD to win in the market? I made over $23,259 this month using a method so simple, it feels criminal to share. But I'm going to do it anyway. This is the unexpected truth behind the A-plus trading strategy no one talks about, and the exact blueprint that got me here. Stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll know the entire system, how to apply it, and what most traders get dead wrong. Chapter 1. My personal trading journey. My first year as a trader? Complete disaster. I blew 3 accounts. I followed influencers with Lamborghinis. I thought risk management was for cowards, and I paid the price. The moment you almost quit credit card debt or job loss, support from family, or lack of it, this chapter isn't about glory. It's about pain and the choice to rise above it. Chapter 2. Defining the A-plus setup. So what is an A-plus setup? Think of it as a trade that meets all your ideal conditions. Not most, all. These are the only trades I take. The checklist. High relative volume. Technical breakout, clean pattern. News catalyst or market alignment. Defined risk-reward ratio, minimum 2 to 1. Emotional readiness. Charts examples. Tesla breakout. Double bottom pattern on Apple. Reversal play with confirmation. Insert short breakdown. Let's look at how this pattern repeated itself 9 times this month, and how I used it to stack over $18,000 in small wins. Chapter 3. Psychological mastery. Here's the truth. Your mind is the final boss in trading, not the market. Common trader traps. Revenge trading, overconfidence, analysis paralysis. Tools I use to master psychology. Journaling daily wins/losses. Visualization, breathwork, pre-trade affirmations. I stopped trying to beat the market and started mastering myself. That changed everything. Chapter 4. My trading routine. Consistency isn't sexy, but it's what makes trading work. Here's how I structure every single day. Morning prep. Economic calendar check. Global market scan. Watch list update. Top 3 tickers. Trading session. Entry planning. Scaling strategy. Real-time journaling. Post-market. Trade review. Emotional self-assessment. Screenshot and archive best/worst trades. Downloadable routine PDF for viewers. Chapter 5. The $23,000 playbook. Real trades. Let's pull back the curtain. Here are 5 real trades from this month that made up over $23,000. Trade breakdown format. Ticker date, reason for entry, risk, setup, exit plan, PL breakdown. This isn't theory. This is what happened, and how you can spot the next one. Chapter 6. My toolkit for A-plus trading. Free paid tools. Charting. TradingView, free/pro. News, Benzinga, Finviz, Twitter alerts. Execution. Interactive brokers, or think or swim. Mindset. Notion, Evernote. Physical journals. Your tools are your trading weapons. Use them wisely, or they'll weigh you down. Link to Notion template or Excel spreadsheet. Download. Chapter 7. My strategy template. I've spent 3 years building this system. You can copy it in 3 minutes. Strategy template components. Pre-market checklist. A-plus trade filter. Does it hit 4 of 5 criteria? Risk-reward calculator. Daily journal template. Chapter 8. Top mistakes. How to avoid them. Before I found consistency, these mistakes nearly wiped me out. The big 4. No trading plan. Emotional overtrading. Ignoring risk rules. Failing to review performance. You won't succeed by doing more. You'll succeed by doing less dumb stuff. You've just learned the real strategy behind $23,259 in a single month. But knowledge isn't power, execution is. If you're serious, start today. Comment, I'm in. Download the system. Join the challenge. And subscribe, because this is just the beginning.